Camouflage continued to dominate streetwear in 2025, as outdoor-inspired looks became a staple in everyday city fashion. This trend strongly influenced sneakers, especially from Nike, which is preparing a Realtree-themed running collection and several camo-based releases throughout 2026, including a Foamposite Pro Retro. Jordan Brand has also joined the movement with detailed images of an Air Jordan 1 Low OG Realtree sample that briefly surfaced online. The pair features ripstop camo overlays, black leather swooshes, a white leather base, and a warm chenille-style lining, finished with a light brown gum sole. While the Air Jordan 1 Low OG no longer commands the hype it once did, Jordan Brand continues to push strong releases. With major colorways lined up for 2026, it is still unclear if the Realtree version will officially release or remain a rare sample.